Hi, welcome to this quick illustration of TraderSensei. TraderSensei is a full Web3 DeFi research tool as well as a tool to stake. Once you've done your research, you can directly stake from there. This is an illustration of what we have so far as of this video, and it is still being tested. However, in this illustration, we are connecting to um, the to actual mainnet. Okay, we're not going to do any trading. It's just an illustration of how this works. Now, this Trader Sensei supports L2, specifically Arbitrum. And so this is going to work between the L1 Ethereum and L2 Arbitrum so that any staking will be done on Arbitrum. Okay, and that's the reason why you have a bridge and a status. As of this writing, these two are still running locally and it's not fully functioning yet. It is being tested on Sepolia right now. So if you have your MetaMask or SafePal or anything or any other wallet, you get into Trader Sensei. You choose the wallet, you choose MetaMask, and that once you have that, it should show up with your Ethereum balance and in dollar amount. Okay, and same here. Okay, so here is where you do your initial research. Here you can do a scan of either L1 or we can look for L2 DeFi that's on Arbitrum, and it will scan it. It will come up with a list like curve, and then I can even ask if you have your. This is an OpenAI API key. You can paste yours in here. It doesn't save any. It does the Trader Sensei will not save that. Okay, it is in your local storage, so for memory, but once you kill it, it's there, it's gone. Or rather, if when it's in session, it's on session, not on local storage. Okay, so when you close the tab, that will disappear. So this is not saved. Trader Sensei will not know this because remember, this is Web3. Nothing on the server side. There's no server side. It's all on chain, and so we're not saving that. Okay, now you can get a recommendation, which is going to go ahead and call OpenAI. Okay, that's providing you have your own OpenAI key, and it will tell you, in this case, what it would recommend. It would recommend, based on the provided data, rules and recommendation, which is the safest way. So that's by default, really. It's going to, um, it's going to recommend this one, which case it says Dolomite balance. Now, I'm actually interested in being able to, oh, okay, this is single-sided. So it says Dolomite. So where is Dolomite? Here's Dolomite. So let's go ahead and look at Dolomite. It's not known if there's a hold on the staking or not, but once you click on it, it does tell you the setup, and you can set up your allocation, and then eventually there will be a key here where it will directly set your position or stake it directly with the smart contract. That's still to be written, but this is how so far it would work. It does give you all of the list here, pretty good list. This is Arbitrum. Let's go have a look at Ethereum. Let's go ahead and scan and everything that we see for Ethereum pool. Let's go ahead and get a recommendation. What kind of recommendation this will give us? Let's give it a run. It should be local storage, so you probably read that. Balancer v3. So if we select Balancer v3, then you'll see that, oh, this one, no fixed lock, typically. And if you needed more information, for example, you can just click on open here and it will open up the site. Okay, it's loading up, and you can do further um, further interaction with this, further research on this. This is DeFi Llama. Okay, it supports that. Eventually, this will support different DEX screeners. Okay, but this is where we are at the moment, and soon we will be interacting and actually allowing you to connect and stake your digital asset. One thing I also wanted to show is that This right now just shows your native. Now you might have NFTs, you might have um, other tokens. This should show here, and that's part of what we're working on as well. Okay, so I just want to thank you for taking the time. I hope you enjoy this, and hopefully I can hear back from anyone with any input on what you think would be good for this tool. Okay, thank you.